Wow naman! Wow!
Hello po, magandang hapon po. This is our 5th day po ng ating liga. And also po, gusto ko po magpasalamat po sa both teams sapagkat po nakiisa po kayo sa aming liga. Ang paliga pong ito ay para sa inyo po. And request lang po namin na maging maayos po ang ating liga matapos po hanggang finals na walang gulo po. I-enjoy lang po natin ang bawat game. And that's all lang po. Thank you.
Ayun tayo, magandang hapon. Yun naman po hinahandlay para din na. Ayun tayo, sabi bola, basketball nga eh, bola. Puro bola and ball. Bola ipapasa, shoot, lahat. Agawin, depensa, puro bola. Hindi tao, ano? Kaya nga play with the ball, not with the man. Sabi nga daw nila. Ayun tayo, basta tayo, basic principle ng FIBA. Advantage and advantage lang tayo. Sila Pek, may hagin tayo sa kami. Chance to score na yun, chance to score na. Sigurado na yun, no? Pag na-deflect, ako natin sa advantage, tayo. Pero ganoon pa rin tayo, upgrade, downgrade. Kasi hadal tayo, may transitions, may Philippine progress. Hindi mo yung tao, hindi mo yung bola kinuha mo, yung tao para ma-invade yung progress. Dali natin yan, stop. Ano, ganoon lang tayo. Once pala tayo, naman 2 shots. So, yun lang tayo. Sa input, kailan naman naman ito? Sa input, kung sa TV, yung lahat daw, sinasabi lagi na dito. Bawal daw yun, ha? Pati yung, tanong bola, brother. Salamat. Yung pambol natin, ha? Sabi nga daw sa pambol is a dribble. Hindi ko siya makuha, oh. Wala po ang dribble. Kaya ako nagpatak. Pumatak na naman. Tapos dribble ko, legal tayo, ha? Halawakan ko, gano'n doon eh. Patak na naman. Kasi wala pa siyang pivot. Wala pang pivot siya, di pa establish ang ball. Sabi sa travel rules nga, travel rules, hawak ka daw. One hand, both hand. Both feet, both foot. Lifted yung isa. Tumaas, hawak ko pa yung bola. Marami. Okay, nag-down. Tumalong ka, tapos pagbagsak mo, hawak ko pa sa pinig. Pero hindi ko hawak ang bola, oh. Pag-ikot ko, hindi ko makuha ka, tapos kasi sira ako sa bitrato. Basta kailangan hawak ang bola. Hala, isang kamay, dalawang kamay. Hindi tayo, pag may concern, proper lang tayo. Pati yung mga coaches po. During time out, tawagin niyo po kami. Pag may concern, lalagin niyo po kami. Hindi po natin kailangan mag-sigaw. With the courteous manner po tayo. Hala. Kailangan po.
Kasi, ano mo yung legal shot? Dan hanggang ngayon may nagreklamo pa. Yung legal shot, kapos, tapos nakuha uli, pwedeng i-dribble, pwedeng ipasa, pwedeng itira. Legal yun. Hanggang ngayon may nagreklamo pa na legal shot, tumira ako. Ako uli ang nakakuha, di kapos. Ako uli ang nakakuha, nag-dribble ako, traveling. Hindi po yun, legal po yun.
Kasi ganun po, nawala po yung ball control at team control. Pero yung 24 shot lock po naman po magiging kasi hindi po sinatama sa rin. Pero pag pinapost naman po, violation tayo kasi intentional po yun. Ganun lang po yun, ha? Okay na po, may concern po.
Ano po?
Tingin sa langit.
Hello.
Buti mamaya pa yan. Wala ka pa.
Pwede na kayo pantaw.
Dawat Magnayan. Correct for 2 points by Magnayan.
2 points, Child Hope. Post quarter na po.
Go home. Number 4. No. Ibang by number 15 to number 12. Number 9. To Magnayan. Back by number 9. Steal. Go home. Abe, nawala ang bola, nakahuli niya. No, nakahuli niya yung Abe. Time to shoot. No, rebound by McNair. Number 9. Number 11, McNair. Number 15. Connect 4-2.
4-2, 4-0.
Number 12, go.
4-0 na score.
Abel,
Oh, block.
table. 15 to shoot. Number 12, go. Steal, number 9. Drop 9.
Counted.
Basket count. Foul committed by number 2.
0.
Number 2 is your first personal foul. First team foul. No good. To Goha. Goha number 6. To Goha number 12. To Abe number 2. Goha. Foul. Foul committed by number 9. Number 9 is your first personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots.
Tara muna sa wait lang. Gagawin mo. Hindi na ako. Bumalik ka na lang pag di ka bumalik.
No. Foul committed by number 11. 17. Reps out. Seven minutes and 20 seconds.
Half time. Ha? Half time. Video mo nga. Kasi yan.
Mamaya. Mamaya. Shout out sa scorer.
Number 4, Valdez. Tumagnayan. To Valdez, pull up G, connect for 2.
8-0.
Abe, number 2. Lumipat na, connect for 2 points.
8-2.
Valdez, setting up lane. Number 22 to number 25. Valdez. No good. Now number 32, no good. Connect for 2 points by number 11.
10.
Number 12.
10-2. Score.
Number 12, go. To go, number 6. Time to shoot. Go, opportunity, no good. Foul. Foul committed by number 12. First personal foul. Second team foul. Two shots.
2 shot.
No good. Rebound by number 6. Foul committed by number 6. Go. First personal foul. Third team foul. McNair, number 11, for 3. No good. Go, number 6. To go. Steal.
Oh, safe pa.
To go, number 6.
To shoot.
Calling for 2 points. McNair. Running for 2 points. Abe. Foul committed by number 11. Number 11 is your first personal foul. Catch up. Running for 1 point by Abe. 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Number 4, Valdez. Number 12, side step block. Now on number 28. Number 25. Maguindao. Number 12, Lumiban na. No good. Now on Maguindao. To Abe. Abe, Lumiban. No good. Now on Igoho. Corner for 2 points. By number 6. 2 minutes. Number 12, to Valdez, to Magnaye. Magnaye for 3. No good. That is good. Traveling violation.
Yan, ilaw na. Tapos na po ang first quarter. Labanan po
Abe.
sa and Child Hopes.
To Maguindao. Back to Abe.
Chill Hopes.
Abe, black.
Yung pala, Chill Hopes pala. Chill.
Silver.
Chill Hopes.
Number 28, no good. Now on E. Foul committed by number 22. Number 22, it's yours.
Take 2.
First personal foul.
Free throws.
Warning for penalty. Timeout. Chill.
Ganda na ang score, 20-10. 10 na lang.
Time remaining 1 minute and 17 seconds. First drop, no good.
Ang laki naman. Yun. Nag-aaral pa lang ako. Anak ko.
Running for 1.
2011. 2 point po ang Chill Hopes.
Valdez, setting a play. To Magnaye. Valdez. Foul committed by number
Or sa 3 point shot.
19. First personal foul, penalty. Running for 1. By Valdez.
Magtatapon! Ine! Ba't na dito?
No good. Last throw. Running for 1. Time remaining 1 minute. Number 19, Sugaho. Foul committed by number 20. 12. Number 12 is your second personal foul. Penalty. Okay, 1 point. Running again.
22-30.
Time remaining 45 seconds. Last 40 seconds. Time to shoot. Last 25 seconds.
Uy.
Last 19 seconds. Last 19. 19 seconds. 15. 10. 5.
Yo. Yeah.
End of the first quarter. Official score.
Si Kevin wala.
Number 26, number 12.
Fourth quarter na po ang labanan. Naka 3 points po ang
Number 10, Suave. Foul. Foul, committed by number 3. First personal foul, first team foul.
Kulungan niya.
oh, share out sa inyong dalawa.
Connect for 1 point.
Oh, share out.
Tarayan na dito sa ano eh. Sagba. Dapat makikita ko yan na pag
No.
Hmm?
Magnaye. Number 12. Number 26, no good. Maguindayaw.
Yun. Dagat.
Connect for 2 points by Maguindayaw.
Score. What score? Wow,
Number 20.
lima na.
Number 3. Side step.
54-19.
Foul, committed by number 25. Number 25, still first personal foul. First team foul. No good.
Twenty-four 19.
Connect for 1 point. Number 10. Suave, number 2.
Talagang madaming pera.
Number 25.
Daming nag-
10 to shoot.
Tingin mo wala kaming pera?
We got 3
Number
points.
10 for 3. Number 5 ball.
Mahabol na po ang South sa Chilhop.
Number 10, 6, Vincent. Tumagnaye. No good. Now, Ronnie Maguindayaw.
Bumaba.
Number 10, Apuraw. No good. 10 to shoot. Abe. Number 10. 5 to shoot.
Uy, outside.
Out of bounds.
Yeah.
Press up. Time remaining 6 minutes and 20 seconds.
Kuya, dali, ayun.
Reyes, number 24, Tumagnaye.
Go, kuya.
Back to Reyes. To Lindor. Connect for 2. Number 38. Number 10. To go. Number 10. Number 28. Select for 3. Number 24.
27.
Tuwang Naye. No good. Go.
Yo.
Select for 2 more.
All na, all.
Official score. Deadlock 27. Reyes. Number 12. Garcina. Number 3. Lindo. No good. Now, Maguindao. To go. No good. Kill. To Reyes. Select for 2.
29. 27. Ganda na po ang labanan ng second quarter.
No good. Maguindao. To Abe. Select for 2 more.
All. All. 29. Yeah.
Number 12, Garcina. Ang layo. Kapos. Now, magiging out. Number 10.
Shoot.
Pinaliwan. No good. Now, go. Basket down. Foul. Foul with by number
Pressure out.
24. Time out. Kill hook.
29-31.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 13 seconds.
Balik ulit sa gula. Short ang tira.
Go. Easy basket.
Thirty-three 29.
Maguindao. Number 10. No good. Magsaye. Foul with by number 10. Number 10. Wraps up. Number 10 is yours. First in foul. Connect for 1 point by Magsaye. Line violation.
Minute na lang pala.
Go, number 12, that's over.
Ito matapos sa second quarter.
No good. Valdez, 1 minute. To Garcina. To Gonzalez, number 22. No good. Go. Number 35. 40 seconds. To Gonzalez.
Uy.
No good. Now Olivia. Foul with by number 28. Number 28 is yours. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. 34 seconds. Last 34 seconds.
Tapos na po ang second quarter.
No good. Seconds. 25 seconds. Running for 2 points, Rayabe. 20 seconds. There, Rayabe. 15. And for 2. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Wala. Wala. Scorer. Kaya sa mga nanonood. Hello! Lamang na kayo. Shout sa South Team. Lamang na kayo. Shout sa
Ito po ang bola.
shout out. Bawi kayo, bawi. Shout out. Hello.
Ay daw.
Hello. Papiyaw nga, papiyaw. Alin daw? Pero sa mga titinda, sa mga nabili. Iyak ba, iyak? Oh. Out sa Permin team. Orencio. Shout out.
Down the Valdez. Running for 2.
42-40.
Go! Foul committed by number 3.
Free throw.
Second personal foul, first team foul.
Wala pa niya ibang SK. Parating pa lang.
Alin pa?
May iba niya SK.
Wala pa.
SK tsaka officer ano? SK tsaka officer.
Yan, marami to. Dadagdag ko na ako din.
Running for 1 point. Double. Nawan ni Magintaya. To go.
Oh.
Running for 2 points. By go.
Bira na 3. Hindi na. Salo.
Double. Go.
Oops.
Running for 2.
13 sila namang mangang. Kaya sa kumakain ng
Valdez. Sumantaya for 3. No. Rebound by Gondina. No. Rebound by Magintaya.
oh.
Team ball.
Ano pa dati ba? Mamaya yan. Ako.
No. Magnayan. Surantina. Nugu Nawani. Magindayao. Tugoho. Magindayao. Easy basket. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Here we go. Line violation. Valdez, Nugu, rebound by Magindayao. To go, number 12. Number 12, time to shoot. Go for 3. Nugu, now number 28. Valdez, number 11, connect for 2.
Highlights. Oh,
Number 12, go.
34, 57.
To go. To Abe, no good. Number 11, connect for 2. Timeout. Team South.
Score is 36, 47.
Lindor. Black. Table. Reps up. Lindor out. Aguirre 8. Reps up. Number 28 out. Number 17 in. 4 minutes and 16 seconds. Randina number 12. Full of G's. Running for 2 points. Magindayao.
2 minutes na, third
Crossover,
quarter.
Roy, step back. No good. Rebound number 17, Umali. Corner for 2 points. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Valdez. To Aguirre. Tapos. Now ni Magindayao. To go. To Abe. Abe, umigot. Side set. Corner for 2.
Pawian mo!
Magnayan.
Yakan, sino?
To Valdez. Thank you. Here we go.
Player na mamaya. Counted.
Basket down. Foul committed by number 11, number 11, Dion. Third, personal foul. Second, team foul. 1 minute and 5 Reyes. To Valdez. No good. Time to shoot. 50 seconds. Time to shoot. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Time to shoot. Black.
Counted.
Basket down. Foul committed by number 2.
Ganda pa ang tira.
14 seconds. Last 14 seconds. 14. 1 more. 14 seconds. Coming for 1 point. 14 seconds. 10. 5.
Tira. Tira.
Not counted. Hello. Number 10. To go, number 6. Number 10. Number 0. Maghintayao. Hey, shoot. 5, 4, 3. Yes, number 85. 2 points, 2 points pala, 2 points. Reyes, no good. Now, Maghintayao. Maghintayao. Wow! Black.
Mapiso.
Save ball. To go, no good. Save ball. 15 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Number 10, Steve Reyes. To Valdez, to Reyes. For 2 points.
Tira po.
Number 9, Nancy Balak. Steve. No good. Rebound by Valdez.
May tumbong. Oh, sigurado.
Take the shoot. Trying for 3 points by number 25.
Oo, ganyan.
Number 10, Maghintayao. Take the shoot. Pass the shoot. Time remaining, 7 minutes and 2 seconds. Valdez. Turantina. Out of bounds. Time out. TV out. Teams out. Isa na time out. 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Number 12 to number 6. Back to number 12. Number 10. Number 6. Thank you.
Wala, hindi na, wag na.
Coming for 2 points. By go.
Dapat ka pinapansin ka na. Libre mo.
Nakita ko yan sa umbrella.
Magnayan. Foul. Foul. Dito tayo number 0. 6 minutes.
Nakaka-change din daw.
Number. Rebound by Maghintayao. Number 12. Coming for 2 points. By go.
Team go. Bus player na yan. Kadami na na-shoot.
Sino?
Yan yung go, number 6. Bus player yan mamaya.
Foul. Dito tayo number
Anak na Manuel.
10.
Manuel, go ho.
Number 10 is your second personal foul. Second team foul.
Yung tinalo mo yan ah. Tinalo mo yan ah.
Yung first game, pinalo.
Termine na.
No good. Now on number 12, go.
Perinig na nga yun.
Go. Thank you. Out of bounds.
Hindi, sumali din yan. Iba.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Balde. Magde, back to Balde. Magde, time for 2. Go. Thank you. No. Foul, win by number 10. Number 10, it's yours. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Nasa.
Final for 2 points. Number 12, tumagin kaya. Thank you. Wow. Foul. Foul committed by number 22. Second team foul. Second pa lang. Calling for 1 point. Bagdaya. Calling for 2. No.
Wala pa.
Calling for 2. That's 2 minutes.
Just 2 minutes na.
One minute and 50 seconds.
9 points. 59-68. Fourth quarter.
Time to shoot. Still, you have it. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Time to shoot. Still, 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Pupus oras.
Time to shoot. 1 minute.
Wala.
Calling for 3 points. 50 seconds. 25 seconds.
Bang 12 na.
35 seconds. Time to shoot. 5 to shoot. Foul by number 4. 26 seconds. Time to shoot.
Yeah.
15 seconds.
Wala. Wala.
8 seconds.
Wala. Ayun na.
Thank you.